Greetings CEOs of Company X. We are a group of material engineers and today we will be proposing our revolutionary market-changing idea. Since the introduction of plastics in 1907, human society has been using them almost everywhere. However, have you ever thought of where all these plastics go after use? They don't simply vanish, but are accumulated in large landfills, leading to the pollution of our environment. With the toy industry being valued at around $20 billion and over 90% being plastic toys, this large sum of plastics will eventually come to pollute our environment. With its large carbon footprint, this is not to be ignored.
For our material, we have ensured it to be biodegradable and environmentally friendly. Ticking both boxes, we chose Arborfoam, dubbed liquid wood, which is made out of 100% renewable raw materials, a mixture with approximately 30% pulp-based lignin, 60% cellulose, and 10% natural additives. Why Arborfoam? In addition to it being a type of wood and biodegradable, it has similar properties to thermoplastics. In the past, companies never thought of using wood to mass-produce toys due to the painstaking hours needed to carve and higher prices as a result. Hence, using thermoplastics as it can be mass-produced quickly, being injection molded instead of carved. Arborfoam, however, can be easily melted at temperatures around 160 degrees Celsius and injection molded after, just like thermoplastics. The relatively low melting point also allows Arborfoam to have a low shrinkage level, thus, when cooled, its shape will be precise.
In terms of biodegradation, Arborfoam's behavior is just like wood, decomposing into water, hydrogen and carbon dioxide, much more eco-friendly than compared to plastic and its toxic fumes emitted when incinerated. So, by switching plastics to Arborfoam, it could lead to a significant improvement in our attempt to save the environment. Now, we shall take a closer look into its main constituents, cellulose and lignin.
Cellulose is currently the world's most abundant natural polymer with a chemical formula of C6H10O5. It is a polysaccharide made up of hydroxyl groups of linear glucose monosaccharides held together by glycosidic bonds, which stack on top of one another through hydrogen bonds. These hydrogen bonds are what give cellulose its high mechanical strength and hence Arborfoam's high rigidity. A macromolecule, cellulose, would then have a giant molecular structure. This allows cellulose to have strong intramolecular covalent bonds, which results in the high but not extreme melting point of 270 degrees Celsius. Also, the giant molecular structure will allow the cellulose to be insoluble in polar solvents like water. This helps Arborfoam to be waterproof, so when exposed to rain or tap water when being cleaned, it will not have any reaction due to the chemical stability.
Lignin, being the world's second most abundant natural polymer, is made up of elements, carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen covalently bonded together to form a macromolecule. This would result in lignin, like cellulose, to take up a giant molecular structure and hence having intermolecular bonds, which are strong. It then provides extra strength to Arborfoam, being incorporated into cellulose's microfibril structures.
Companies have been using plastics all these years because there was no suitable alternative. The pitch in our material is that not only being biodegradable and eco-friendly, it still contains the versatility which makes plastics so great, adding the high-end feel of wood as well, without needing to change your factory machines or getting new ones to accommodate for the switch to Arborfoam. On top of being able to promote your company to be a further step greener than others, it will not cause your company to lose money financially as a result.
So, come on, switch over to Arborfoam. Leave the use of petroleum-based plastics behind you and steer your company to play a part in our goal for a greener future. What is there not to love? Versatile, strong, waterproof, sustainable, economically risk-free, and biodegradable. Arborfoam brings together the best of both the plastic and wood worlds. Manufacturing process? Just continue with the one that you have. Arborfoam is basically the biodegradable package of thermoplastics you have always wished for, but with a bonus high-end feel of wood. We hope that you will see this product to be a fit for your company, and we thank you for listening.